So essentially each box has 3 pieces. It has the clear plastic, and then it has the back, which has these holes in it so that your shoes can breathe. And then it has the front door. And honestly, it's ambidextrous. You can just flip it over if you want it to open the other way. But I would pay attention when you put the doors on so that you don't have some opening to the right, some opening to the left. Okay, so what you basically do is just kind of open these up. There's lines made that you just want to do that so that it will create a rectangular shape. This one is going to go on top of other boxes and need to be attached, so I'm going to open these clips here, these half moon clips. Sorry, I hope you can see that. Half moon clips, okay. Yeah, and then we just need to put on the back. So I'm going to do the back first. These slits here, that is where each clip fits into. So this is going to be on top so that the next box that goes on top will clip into there. These will clip into the box on the bottom. But for now, I have it set up straight, correctly. Okay, let me think about it. Yes, so I actually want to have it this way, and we'll put the back on it. And so, sorry, first you need to, there's clips on here as well, and you want to fold those down. Okay, there's 4 on there. Fold them down, fold each one down. So now you have each one folded down, you have a rectangular shape, okay? And then you take your back end in this case, and we are going to fit it on there. And it's very easy to do. Although I usually do it upwards, but I can't, otherwise you won't be able to see it. So it might seem a little harder. So I want to fit it in here, and it's a very satisfying click. Okay, those tabs we just push down, click into place, so you'll know when it's fitted in correctly. Sorry, I have to put it up this way because it just makes it that much easier. And click and click. All right, it's all clicked in, and there we go. We've got our back. And then we are going to do the same with the front. We're going to fold these down. Okay, fold these down like this. Then remember, we want to make sure, I like my stuff to kind of be open like a book, so how I would normally read. So I'm going to put my door on like this, and again I'm going to put it this way just so it's easier for me to do it. I apologize, but once I get it on there, hear that click, and then I fit it on the front, and I'll bring it down so you can see it, and click, click. All right, and there we have it. We have a box. You put your beautiful shoes in them. Okay, so these little tabs here, these half moon ones, then there's the line in the bottom box. The half moon just simply goes in there, and that's how they all attach together. Okay, so this is the finished product. You get 12 in a package. They look fabulous. One thing I did do, some of the other reviewers said once you put the back and the front on, it's impossible to get them off, but as I do the very last one that I put on, I put on backwards. So I did manage quite easily, carefully, but easily, to get it off and put it on the correct way. No problema. So yeah, I mean, as long as you're careful and you manage not to break the tabs, should you make a mistake, it should be pretty easy to correct. All right, let's put some shoes in it and put them in the closet and see how they go. Okay, so here we have the finished product. Look at that. How much neater is that? How much more space do I have now? It's amazing. We'll just pop in the last pair of sandals that I have. Close this up. You know, I honestly think that you could probably fit a couple pairs in these if you don't mind squishing them. So you could feasibly just, you know, even just put them on their side and fit more shoes in there. Again, if you don't mind getting them squished. But I don't need to because apparently I have exactly 12 pairs of shoes. So it all worked out perfectly for me. And here we are, finished product. And I think even Max approves.